the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V, and now Lady V speaks about trauma and how it affects the individual. So go ahead and listen to her video. And as we always know that Lady V always talks about something that is interesting, and she's always giving us informational topics where we're able to learn something new. So check her out and check out this video which speaks about trauma. Have a wonderful day.
People always have to tell me what happened because me never see and me never hear because me not turn up and watch nothing negative. Me not stand up and watch another woman destroy another woman. Me not there for it. I can't be a witness and I will not be a participant either. I won't even be a recipient. I won't sit down and receive that. And energies attract. So me not make certain energy draw me in, no? Yeah, but let's talk about the traumas. Now, trauma comes through many different things. And you have a lot of us out here that can tell you the truth. We weren't raised on love. And thus, we don't know what love is. If you don't know what love is, you can't give love is. Some people, a song say, I want to know what love is. I want you to show me. I want to feel what love is. Yeah. I bet a lot of us come out here and say that, you know, because truth is, so many of us don't know what love is. And so many of us out here do need someone to show us what love is, but we won't say that. We mask our pain behind this facade. We put on this mask. And that's why I once said we were wearing masks a very long time before COVID. We were wearing masks so long before COVID because so many of us have never shown our real self, our real face. Me no mean without glasses, me no mean without makeup, me no mean without lashes, me no mean without wig, me mean the true us. And every smirk is a smile, and every kya is a laugh. Some of it is delusion. Hey, Maya Davidson, been a long time, baby. Hey, Badora. Yeah. You can see the pain, you can hear the hurt. Who goes to bed 1 o'clock in the night cursing people? Who wake up 6 o'clock in the morning and curse people? Make it make sense. Who sits on a live for 3 and 4 consecutive hours cursing someone else? Make it make sense. Tell me which happy woman you know that comes on a live at 11:10, sits until 12:01 cursing people. Get back on the live 6, 7 in the morning, sit for 3 hours again and curse someone. The same person or someone else. Ain't that a deranged human being? If it is a human being at all. Ain't that a deranged thing or person? Why nobody not talk to me tonight? Valerie, what's up? I feel like I'm talking to myself. So with that, I don't need to do a whole lot of talking. I tell you about the positive message. Now I get the endorsement and the support. So this is what I am telling you. No one that is in their right mind and have any form of godliness about them, no life that is filled with Christ, would not operate that way. Never would. You think a happy wife go home in her house and just start abuse her husband and her children? You think a happy husband just decide one day, I'm so happy that I need a divorce? I'm so happy, I'm just going to get a woman, have some kids with her and form a life with them and not with you anymore. Happy people don't do those things. Broken and damaged people do these things. When you hear a woman comes out here and levels certain allegations against a sister, nothing is wrong with the sister. The problem is with the person who is leveling the allegation. Believe it or not. Liars only know how to lie. One lie from you is enough lies. Liars know how to lie. Haters know how to hate. Thieves know how to thief. Disrespectful people know how to disrespect. Bitter people knows how to be bitter. Godly people know how to be godly. Decent people know how to be decent. And let me tell you something, believe it or not, decency, it's not something that you can really teach someone. No. You can't really teach a person how to be decent, you know. That's an inborn thing. It's an ingrained thing. That had to be inculcated in you when you were a child, a minor. Then when you grow up and become adult, you know, we all shift up and we go so. We're going to do all kind of things, but then we're going to come back to the core and the center. That's why it's raise up a child the way they should grow, and when they won't depart. You're going to raise your children just like me. And they're going to start doing things that don't sit well with you. But trust and believe, if God lingers and if his mercies keep them, they're going to come right back to all the core values that you teach them. When you are the recipient of the trauma from these unhappy people, how do you heal? It's the same thing. The point, you know, hurt people. So because they have trauma, they know hurt you. So now you have trauma. You're traumatized. It's a cycle that continues. It basically comes down, Momo, to a point where you say, I have to bring an end to this. Not for them, but for myself. First of all, I'm going to forgive myself for placing myself in that position, for allowing myself to be abused and used and disrespected the way I have allowed it, because truth is you did allow it if you are. And you then have to seek help for your mental state if you are not strong enough to do it on your own, or you don't know how. And you have to also forgive those persons that hurt you. Forgive them in the sense to say, I don't have it up for them. I don't wish to see any harm come, but I will not be reassociating and reconnecting myself to them. And if they hurt you legally, still proceed with the legal part of it. I can forgive you for how you make me feel, but if you maligned my name, tarnish my character, my image, and my reputation, slander me, defamation, you defame my name, I can still take you to the court. I can still, and I will still take you. I will still take you to the court. I will still take you before the court of law to get my justice. Slandering is not free. Defamation of character is not free. Talk is cheap, but it's not free. Thank you, Dolores. Hey, Simone. Sometimes it is so hard to recover when you're dealing with a narcissist, when you're dealing with a delusional person, when you deal with a person that don't know boundaries, right from wrong. They will gaslight you. They will do reverse psychology on you. They will turn it around and make you feel like you are the problem. They will say to you, they'll punch you in your face, Momo, beat you up and punch you up your face, and then say, oh, look what you caused me for do. Girl, me tell us if you cool out now. Girl, me tell us how me a chat you for shut your mouth now, girl. You know say man head hot already a man, ignorant a man, no take chat no man. Who man a bad man, you know, girl. When man a talk, how cool you for cool out now. But girl, when man a talk, you want toe to toe, you want follow up, man. No, look what you make me do. Look what happened to your eye now. Them thing you hurt me feelings, you know. So here you are, start thinking, oh shucks. Him did seminar for answer him when him talking, you know. If me never did say nothing, he wouldn't have to punch me. So here you are now, like the docile puppy. I feel my fault. Because if me never did say nothing, he wouldn't have to go so far. You know what I mean? Because